In primetime news tonight, Prime Minister Andrew Holness sworn in for a second term.
I, Andrew Michael Holness.
4 ministers sworn in as the government gets to work right away. And absent, opposition leader not in attendance at the Prime Minister's swearing in.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what are your views on the reappointment of the 4 ministers of Security, Finance, Health and Foreign Affairs?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.